That's very refreshing. May I have another cup? It's a long time since I tasted such nice tea. Where do you get it?
I am glad you like it. It is Darjeeling tea from the Lapchu Tea Gardens.
I must make a note of the name, and get some. The flavor is delicious.
Well, to tell you a secret, the flavor is really due to a pinch of green tea that I put in.
Green tea? I thought that was very bad for the nerves.
So it is, if you take it regularly. But a taste now and then does not hurt you. I get it in Peshawar. The Pathans are very fond of it, and drink a lot.
Perhaps that is why they are so excitable.
Perhaps so. Of course, ordinary tea is a stimulant, but it can't do any harm if it is not taken.
Talking of tea, I remember a funny story of the early days when tea was first brought to England from China. A sailor sent a packet of tea to his old mother. She had never seen tea before, and did not know what to do with it. So she boiled it, threw away what she called the dirty water, and served it up as a vegetable for dinner.
Ha! Ha! Very funny. But even the poorest English folk now know what to do with it. It's funny that the French people have never taken much tea.
Yes, their great drink is coffee. I am rather fond of coffee myself.
So am I. But it must be real coffee and well made. A missionary once told me that when he was traveling in an African forest, he told his boy to make him some tea, for he was down with fever. The boy was a long time over it, and when he came back he said the only water he could find was so black that he could not make tea, and so he had made coffee instead.
Ha! Ha! I am afraid that would not do the padre's fever any good. Well, I must be off. Many thanks for your tea and talk.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
I always feel the need for some tools to fix things at my house, but I can't name them.
Don't worry, sir. You just tell me the problem and I will suggest you the tool to fix it.
It's very kind of you. First of all, you gave me a dustpan, a mop and a vacuum cleaner. My wife would otherwise kill me. Wait a minute, she has also asked me to buy a razor, tweezers and a nutcracker.
Okay, sir. I have noted down all these items you named right now. What else, sir?
Sometimes I have to call an electrician just to cut or join wires. I can do these jobs myself if I have tools. But I don't know the names of the tools.
Got it, sir. You need pliers for cutting and joining wires. May I add this to the list, sir?
Please do. One plank of my bed has come off. I need a screwdriver to fix it.
But sir, the planks are fixed with nuts and bolts these days. You will need a wrench or spanner to tighten them. Do you know the size of the nuts and bolts, sir?
Sorry, I don't know.
In this case, I will suggest a monkey wrench, which can be adapted to any size.
The hinge and the latch of the front door of my house have turned loose. I think I can fix them with these tools.
Right, sir. But you may need some more tools like pincers, a drill, a hacksaw, a hammer and a chisel to fix this problem. They are very useful tools and you must have them in your house, sir.
I already have a hammer at my house. Give me the rest of the tools.
Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
I have some open space behind my house which I want to develop for gardening. But the soil is so hard, I would first need to dig and remove the upper layer of soil. Can you suggest some tools?
You had better take a pickaxe to dig the soil and a shovel to remove it. I am also giving you a hatchet and a hoe because you will require them when you later start gardening.
That's so nice of you. Can you give me a pair of tongs also? My mother needs them to fill her hookah with burning coal pieces.
Sure, sir. May I ask my assistant to pack the tools, sir?
Yes, make the bill also.
Okay, sir. Here is the bill. What can I do for you, sir?
I would like to have a suit made.
Would you like to buy the cloth from us, sir?
No. I've brought the suit length with me. Here it is.
Alright. May I take your measurements, sir?
Yes. I'd like to have a tight-fitting suit.
Right, sir.
Now, how long will it take you to get the suit ready?
About 3 weeks, I think. It takes longer at this time of the year because of the holiday rush, you know.
That'll be alright. But I would like to have it before the end of the month.
Alright, sir. Would you prefer one inside pocket in the jacket, or two?
I want 3. 2 on the left and 1 on the right.
And would you also like a hip pocket in your trousers, sir?
No, not really. But I prefer a ticket pocket.
Very well, sir. Will you call in for a fitting next Tuesday?
I would rather come on Wednesday. Oh dear. I haven't asked you about your charges at all.
Don't worry, sir. Our charges are competitive, and here's the price list, sir.
3,300 rupees for making a suit. I think I'll go elsewhere.
As you wish, sir. I'll recommend top tailors across the road, sir. Goodbye, sir.